Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing 3008. I'm probably gonna die. I'm probably gonna get dead. I'm gonna probably get. Where's there apples? Who would leave apples here? Ooh, big head noob. This big head is now mine. I don't have a home yet. Oh. So I can whistle. Bruh. Where's my... I was getting a phone call from my mom.
But you need to stop recording when your mom's just calling, okay?
Just gonna... There we go. I'm here. I'm just gonna stay here. I'm so lucky. I'm just gonna stay here for a while. I'm just gonna stay here for a while. And yeah. What? Oh. Help me, I'm glitching. What's this? There's someone over there. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. There we go. What's in here? Oh my god. Ice cream. Give me that. More Doritos.
Doritos.
What kind of Doritos? 3 Doritos? Give me 2. 8 kits. I can't pick those up. No, just gonna steal from him. I stole from him. It's almost daytime. I can see it. I just robbed his whole... Okay. My thing is full. I just stole from him. Who is this? I'm gonna decline it. I don't know who in the world is that or who she is. What is this? What? I'm gonna eat this. Spaghetti? Really? Some spaghetti? What's the pet? I could literally live in this house, but nah, I'm not gonna live in this house. I'm gonna make a waypoint. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna build somewhere like here, like in this. Here's a tip for 3008 if you play this. If you want to build a house, just build it over here. If you make this home, it will, if the wall, make the walls like this. So I saw that tip on a YouTube video. Where did the chair go? Going to settings, controls. Just tap the grid shade. 0.25. Okay. Boom. Bam. This looks pretty good. Like that. This looks pretty good. There's more tables. Why is it glitching? Like it's getting flamed. But this looks good. Lane 008. I'm gonna reveal my cousin's name. You are revealing my name. And I can reveal your name. I'm gonna reveal your name. Oh my god. Why is okay. There's more tables there. Give me table. Oh no, we have 2 minutes until it's gonna be night time. So give me this dolphin looking thing. Boom. Bam. Boom. So bump head. just 3 seconds. Just gonna take this nice thing, climb this, and bam. There we go. I have 2 lights now. Uh-oh. Snap to cringe. Let's make it like 1.1. It's glitching. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna cut through this.